Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to connect your accounting softwares to Lendio. Lendio allows you to connect accounting softwares to streamline financial data sharing with lenders. Here's the step-by-step process on how to get that done. First, log into your Lendio dashboard. From the menu, you're going to click Integrations or Connected Apps. Then select Connect Accounting Software. You're going to see supported platforms such as QuickBooks, Xero, FreshBooks. Just go ahead and choose the one that you use. A new window will open, prompting you to sign into your accounting software account. Now, once that, just go ahead and enter your login details and authorize Lendio to access your financial data. Here you can review the permissions requested and click Allow Access or Authorized. Once connected, Lendio will automatically import your financial reports such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. Just return to Lendio dashboard to confirm the integration is active. Keeping this connection active helps lenders get real-time insights into your business finances, which of course improves your loan chances. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.